Alright, Paul here again from EMD Automotive. This is the actual Peugeot, sorry I was going to say Porsche, Peugeot 308 I was working on this morning. We managed to get a new fuel pump. This is the old fuel pump that I was testing before. There was no fuel coming on. So the actual pump was making a noise, priming up, but nothing coming out. So no pressure whatsoever. So we just finished installing the actual pump. This is the brand new pump now, right here. The fuel filter is inside there, as you can see, that little one there, it's a fuel filter. If you want to change it, you can change it, but I checked it already, it's not blocked. Alright, so now we're going to give it a nice crank. Start up. Alright, the car's running. Car's running now, so much better than before. Before I couldn't start it, it runs really bad. I want to go for a road test, make sure everything's not leaking and double check everything, and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.